Hello friends, Happy New Year. Today I'm going to try to repot this string of turtles. It's been hanging from this small pot for a year now, so it is high time to repot this. It's going to be really hard. Since it is too long now, but I'm going to try. I chose this container for the string of turtles. Since this pot is really deep, I'm going to put some stones at the bottom. This is the indoor potting mix that I commonly use for my indoor plants. We can spray some neem oil also into the potting mix. This neem oil will control black spot, powdery mildew, rust, spider mites, aphids, white flies and other insect pests. I learned to use neem oil for my indoor plants from Jonah. She has a YouTube channel called Crafts, Plants and Succulents. She has beautiful videos on succulent arrangements. You will not be disappointed if you visit her channel. We are going to take this from this pot and put it in this container. It's going to be hard. Let's try. I just loosened up the root ball with this. Now let's take it out. Okay. We can add more soil. Now the hard job is to spread this around this pot. If we get any broken pieces, we can use them for propagation. I'm going to use the same small pot to propagate if I get any broken pieces. Some of them are tangled up. We are done repotting. Now we can top the soil with some humus. Peperomia Prostrata or string of turtles is a kind of succulent. This is an easy care plant. It has very slow growth. You can take care of it similar to the succulents. They got the name string of turtles because if you look at the leaves, you can see it looks like the turtles. I usually water my indoor plants once a week. I got these small pieces while untangling them, so I'm going to propagate them into new plants. I'm going to use this small container. You can also lay them over the soil and add more soil, and the roots will form from the small nodes.